The bad thing you do that leads you to single mother, that is what I want to really educate you of. So that you can learn, you can also what? Refresh your life again. Single mothers. There are a lot of, well, let me tell you, as a single girl, fine. A lot of single girls nowadays, they are looking for rich men to hook up to. They are looking for what rich men. They don't want to work. They don't beautiful girl. Forget about beauty. Beauty is no longer existing again. There are a lot of what single girls, which lead to your what? So single mothers. I'm going to talk about the bad one. What lead to your what? To be why you are single now. What the bad thing that lead to it? You use your hand to cause it. Yes, one. You are looking for a man which is rich. Are you crippled? Are you blind? Are you deaf? Don't you have your two hands? Can't you walk? Can't you make yourself to be what? Independent woman or a woman of substance? Then what leads to your single mother? I want to tell you about. One, you're looking for a rich man now. Even some ladies, they'll go and date married men. And that married man tell you, oh, please, I'm married or I have a wife. You do not listen though. Because the man is rich, he has car, he has money, he's giving you big money, then you hook up to him. One day mistakenly, pregnancy come. Maybe you try to remove it, the baby did not go. Then the man, you come and tell the man, please, I'm pregnant. And the man will tell you, oh, I did not tell you that I'm married. I cannot marry second lady. I'm married, I cannot marry you. So to make peace to reign, maybe the man will say, okay, all right. Maybe after you pressure him or do one or two things to him, you say, okay, no problem now. I will just rent one apartment for you, or I have houses. I will give you one in the other area or in another country or in another state. You are the one that caused you want to become single now. You do not think about it. Dating a married man, you know that man is married. Then what are you going to date him for? You want to go second one now? Okay, because of money. No problem. The money have lead you to something else that doesn't destroy your life to become a single mothers. And that child, 50-50, maybe you don't even have the love of your mother. You understand? Another one again is what? Handsome. There are young ladies out there. What lead to your single mothers? The bad things that lead to your single mothers. I don't pity this kind of people I'm going to talk about. Materialistic. Handsome. Women, let me explain one after the other so that you understand. Materialistic. You're looking for a man who is rich. Who is rich? Handsome too. Who is tall? Who is cute? Who is pink lips? Who is like this? Who is like that? These are the things that lead to your single mothers. In short, I don't pity you. You understand? I blame you. Because you are looking at what? The outward of a man. You are not looking inside. There are some ladies who say, no, I cannot date them. Let me talk about Europe first of all. Europe here, there are guys who is a young guy, he doesn't have wife, doesn't have anything, but it's just a young guy who is trying to meet up in life. You cannot hook up to that kind of person. Then you'll be looking for those who have money, who is riding car, married men. Fine. You understand? A lot of single ladies say, me, I cannot date a choroti or a man that beg money in the street. Fine, you will not date. You don't want to start life with that kind of low life. You don't want to start life with that kind of man. Fine. Go and start life with those who have money now. By the time you start life with those who have money, married man, and all those things, then the man will dump you because the man doesn't love you. It's just after your body. Then you come and be crying. Oh, the man do me like this. Come on. You are the one that do yourself. I'm telling you the secret. You are the one that caused your problem now. You want to reap where you don't sow. Okay, you want to reap where you don't sow. It's not possible. It's some I don't know what is really happening. Some lady will just say, I want tall guy. You are looking for tall guy, handsome guy, pink lips guy that can swag, that guy has money, guy that has this and that, has this and that. Come on. Even some you say, I want to date that guy because he has documents so they can give you. Fine. That is where you see them. They will end up with becoming a single mother. Because I don't know if they don't have sense or they are just after those material things. And all those material things will fade away. But the time you date the guy and pregnancy come, you say it's devil. It's not devil. It's you that's supposed to use your brain. You do not use. You're looking for handsome man. There's no man. I don't know I'm going to say it. That is no handsome. If that man is not asking for that particular time, it's made that, oh, maybe he's struggling to meet up in life. He's trying to make himself what good to achieve one or two things. He's not after all those answer or beauty things. Single ladies, you cause a lot of problem to yourself. I'm not even pity you. I pity those child that doesn't have that mother, that father love. After doing all those things, then another point again, let me mention another one again. There are some all those baby benefits and all. Because the money will just like 1,000 something or 2,000 something. They'll say, ah no. Maybe the man will say, okay, let's share it together now. Or you don't want to even share it with the man. They want to take everything. So before the man will come back from work, they'll just carry the baby and everything. They'll just run to Germany or to France or any other Europe country. Is it good? Then later you go and sit down there because of the money and you work just what you're going to receive, the money and everything. Money is not everything. That leads to those single mothers. Let the child feel the love from his father. Let the child have that love from his father. It is really good and important. Everything is not money. You see some single mother out there. They were not born for A. They were born for A, B, C. Different name and different name and everything. It's really good. It's not really good. All those single girls, single mothers, please. When you make this kind of mistake, you still have second chance to correct it. First of all, especially those who just have one baby, please, you want to like have another baby, be careful. Make sure the person you are going to date is the type that is ready to take you or to manage you as what? As a single mother. Because most young girls' problem that lead to their single mother is that they're just after those material things. They don't believe that man can rise from grass to grace. They don't believe that. They believe the man will remain in surety. The man will keep on begging. See, there's nobody who don't start lead you. Everybody start lead you. With time, God will bless that person. But no, our girls, they don't want to patient. They want to rush. Ah, no, this guy has car. Your hair will be chicken. You want to go there, go. Because that guy you want to go and meet because he has car, because he have money, no, you are coming because of his money. It's not love. He will use you and he will dump you. By the time you dump you, you'll be crying out in social media. Ah, this man do me like this. Come on. Say the truth to the people. Let people learn from your experience. They will never say the truth out. You are looking for answer. Okay, tomorrow night the guy have accident. Then where is the answer? Yes, that is the truth now. If the guy have what is not crippled, then you run and leave the man. Because we just following because of those material things. Answer. It's tall, it's cute, it's service swag. These are the things that lead to single mothers. Please, single mothers, stop embarrassing other women. Because this is no longer funny, it's not good. It's not good, materialistic. Money is rich, is having car, is driving, all those things. You want to give children money alone. Single mother, all those things will lead to single mother. This is Europe. Apart from Europe, so even Africa and all, we have to change this mentality in us. We have to change it. It's no longer funny, it's not good. You as a woman, you don't have respect again. Okay, now you have 3 or 4 children, different type of father. Then tomorrow you'll be praying or you'll be going for social media to be finding what? A single young man that come and marry you. Think about it now. Don't you have a brother? You say, I cannot marry that ugly man. Is your brother, is he not ugly too? Okay, if your brother that you have at home, is he not ugly? Who is going to marry him? Is he not a woman? Ah, that man doesn't have money. Your brother, does he have money? Your family, does he have? Who's going to marry your own brother? Is it not a woman that is going to marry, that is going to marry him? Women, they also have one low mentality. Let's change from these issues. Are you are happy you are a single mother? It's not good. All those one, just after material things, is rich, is cute, is like this. It's no answer. I don't pity them because majority, they use their hands to cause their problem. Another point again I want to add to it. When you were very young, maybe we're just chasing you. We're just making shakara. Ah, no, I don't want to. I'm still young. Let me enjoy myself. Let me do this. By the time you climb 30 or 40 above, you'll be begging, looking for a man. to marry. But then you go and end up with the wrong one because you are already rushing to marry because your age has gone far. That's another cause again. Let women learn from this. Let them change from this attitude. It is no longer funny. It is not good. A lot of things are there. I just want to mention all these few things because it's really important. Those who have EA, if you know you already become a single mother, I advise you. If you want to enter any other relationship, shine your eye. Open your eye. Don't follow those materialistic. You can just follow a man who doesn't even have. Start with him. Patient with him. With time, you will have. And he will love you and cherish you and beautify your life. Stop looking for already made. Why you not get now? So that they'll come and also eat it from you. Will you be happy? You will not. So thank you so much. Don't forget, please share this so that people out there they can be what? They can learn from it. Okay? Thank you guys. Bye.